Hello children, this is Nikat Parveen teaching English in class 4 and today we are going to do chapter 7 from your English grammar book, that is kinds of sentences. Children, before understanding the kinds of sentences, we must understand what are sentences and how are they classified into different types. So, first of all, if I ask you what is a sentence, you would say a sentence is a group of words. But then, if I ask fly the sky in birds, is this a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. A sentence must always have a meaning. A sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean something. For example, birds fly in the sky. The meaning is clear. In a broader sense, we can say that a group of words which can communicate a complete message is a sentence. Now, a sentence can be of a single word also. For example, if I ask you a question, will you go to the school tomorrow? And you reply, no. Your message is understandable to me in just one word. So, a sentence can be of one word if the meaning is clear in just one word. Now, sentences are of 4 different types, which are assertive or declarative sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. We shall learn them or we shall understand them one by one. First are the assertive or declarative sentences. Such sentences are used to state a fact, opinion, or idea. For example, sun rises in the east. It is a fact. So it will be an assertive sentence. Ram is a good boy. It is an opinion. He might be a good boy, he might not be a good boy. So it will also be an assertive sentence. Assertive sentences end with a full stop. Next are the imperative sentences. Such sentences are used to permit, command, or request. For example, if I say, you may go now, which is a permission. Go there is a command. Let me go now. It is a request. So these sentences are imperative sentences. Next are the interrogative sentences. Such sentences ask questions. For example, what is your name? How did you come here? When did you leave? Or when will you leave? All these are asking questions. They will be interrogative sentences. They always end with a question mark. Next comes the exclamatory sentences. What are exclamatory sentences? Whenever we express sudden feelings or emotions, they are known as exclamatory sentences. For example, if someone gives me a surprise gift and I open the gift and I say, what a wonderful gift. So it will be, I'm expressing a sudden emotion. It will be an exclamatory sentence. Hurrah, we won the match. It is an exclamatory sentence. Now we shall do a recap. Sentences are the group of words arranged together to give a proper meaning. Okay. Now there are 4 types of sentences. Declarative sentences, which are statements. Interrogative sentences, which are questions. Exclamatory sentences, which gives an exclamation. And imperative sentences, which give command or request. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.